Hello everyone. Dubai is one of the best places in the world to enjoy luxury and drive big cars. Here we are with a list of most popular cars in Dubai. Most of the people who visit Dubai go for either work or set up their own business. Therefore, people usually get their own cars for ease of travel. According to Dubai Roads and Transport Authority, Dubai has 550 cars for every 1000 people, which is highest in the whole Middle East. Let's take a look at the top best and most popular cars in Dubai. We start the list in descending order. Number 9. Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra is a compact sedan with attention to aerodynamics, design and a powerful engine. This very good looking car comes in two engine variants, 1.6 liter and 2.0 MPI. The Hyundai Elantra is getting popular in Dubai and UAE because of its cutting-edge highlights, speed, performance and most importantly, the cost. Price of new Hyundai Elantra starts from 50,000 dirhams to 70,000 dirhams, and for the used car prices starts from 35,000 dirhams to 45,000 dirhams. Number 8. Toyota Corolla. After Camry and Land Cruiser, Corolla is the most popular car from Toyota. Corolla is ruling the world for so many years now and they keep improving every year. This compact sedan is known for its fuel economy, reliability, classical looks and interior space. Toyota Corolla is powered by a 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine and all Corollas are equipped with the latest auto technologies. The most attractive features in Toyota Corolla are variable intermittent windshield wipers, lane keep assist, automatic high beam, headlight integrated LED, DRL and automated emergency braking system. Price of new Toyota Corolla in Dubai starts from 60,000 dirham to 80,000 dirham. And for the used cars prices starts from 30,000 dirhams to 45,000 dirhams. Number 7. BMW X5. Recently, BMW X5 has become the latest trend among the residents of Dubai due to its sporty look and outstanding performance. BMW X5 is powered by an intercooled turbo premium unleaded i6 3-liter engine that gives the owner an amazing experience of high speed and exceptional driving dynamics. Car price is another reason for its popularity compared to its competitors. New BMW X5 prices starts from 310,000 dirhams to 380,000 dirhams. Number 6. Nissan Altima. Nissan Altima is one of the top-selling cars in both Dubai and in UAE. It is giving a tough competition to other middle-sized sedan cars. The popularity of its wonderful car in Dubai is at the top of these Japanese cars. The stylish design along with its 2.5-liter cylinder engine keeps a spacious sedan that has a pedal shifter for a sporty feel. Price of the new Nissan Altima in Dubai starts from 94,900 dirhams and in used cars, Nissan Altima the range starts from 3,000 dirhams to 60,000 dirhams. Number 5. Nissan Patrol. Like Toyota Land Cruiser and the Mitsubishi Pajero, Nissan Patrol is also very popular in Dubai due to its off-road capability. Nissan Patrol Safari may not be as iconic as its competitors, but its unique features, reliability, and unique class bring the spirit of adventures for the riders. The latest model of the Nissan Patrol is powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine offering 298 kW horsepower, which is quite impressive. Nissan Patrol prices starts from 70,000 dirhams and you can get used Nissan Patrol at 50,000 dirham. Number 4. Mitsubishi Pajero. The reason Mitsubishi Pajero being considered one of the best is because of its enormous features. The balance between its fuel efficiency and strong off-road capabilities makes it unique and famous among the desert riders. With a 3.5-liter V6 engine, Pajero can definitely hit the Dubai dunes without compromising on anything because of the large space and 4x4 drive features. Number 3. Mercedes S-Class. Mercedes, being a trustworthy brand known for its durability and advanced technology, its styling and comfort continue to emerge and keep its place among the top popular brands in UAE. S-Class is the most popular model of iconic Mercedes. Brand new Mercedes S-Class prices starts from 440,000 dirhams and goes up to 599,000 dirhams. Number 2. Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is the topmost favorite cars for the taxi drivers in the Dubai. Not only the new, modern and innovative design makes it the best car, but also the modern features used in the car makes it stand out of the crowd. Terrific safety features and economical prices also are the top reason for its popularity. Toyota Camry prices starts from 80,000 dirhams and goes up to 90,000 dirhams. A used Toyota Camry prices starts from 45,000 dirhams to 60,000 dirhams. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Though Land Cruiser is a bit heavy on the pocket, however, due to its reliability and resale value, it is the most popular car in Dubai. Toyota Land Cruiser is considered as one of the best off-roaders in the world. The latest model of the Land Cruiser features a 5.6-liter V8 engine which generates an impressive 381 horsepower. Price of new Land Cruiser in Dubai starts from 170,000 dirhams and goes up to 280,000 dirhams. So here was the list of the best and top most popular cars in Dubai. If you like the video, please hit the button like and subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to share the video and do visit our website for more detail www.flashyddubai.com.